Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to resolve the LogonUI application error that might appear on your Windows computer startup. And now, let's get started. If you are encountering the LogonUI application error when your Windows computer starts up, there is no single definitive fix, but we can try a few general troubleshooting steps. Our first approach is to run the System File Checker scan. To do this, search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar, and select Run as Administrator to open the elevated command prompt. Inside this window, type the command sfc /sl-scan now, and press Enter to initiate the SFC scan. The next solution involves performing a chkdsk scan. Again, search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar, and choose Run as Administrator. Then, type the command chkdsk /slr//slf and press Enter. You will be prompted to press Y and hit Enter again to schedule the scan for the next restart. A third method to consider is updating your graphics card drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open it. Expand the section for display adapters. Right-click on the first display adapter listed and choose Update Driver. Then select Search automatically for drivers. Repeat this process for the second display adapter if one is present. Finally, a clean boot can help isolate software conflicts. Search for System Configuration in the Windows search bar and open it. Navigate to the Services tab. Check the box that says Hide all Microsoft services. If any services are checked after this, click Apply, then click OK, and finally restart your computer. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.